In this video, I'm thrilled to share an exclusive Hostinger discount with you. Use the coupon code CREATOR10 to enjoy a 10% discount on any hosting plan. You'll find the link to Hostinger in the video description below. This special code can be used alongside any current Hostinger offers. If you're eyeing their website builder and hosting package, this is a deal you won't want to miss. Simply click on Claim Deal in the link provided. You'll find plans such as Premium, Business, Zshiz, and Cloud Startup. I personally recommend the business plan, which gives you a 71% discount and 3 additional free months. Plus, the Creator 10 code adds an extra 10% discount. Next, choose your subscription duration. For the best value, go for 48 months, but 24 or 12 months are also available if those suit you better. At checkout, enter Creator 10 in the coupon field, hit apply, and watch the discount appear. Don't forget to like the video and leave any questions in the comments below. Catch you in the next video. Have an awesome day.